Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a very cool song, a cool collab, BNXN Victony, Cough Syrup, and a time try that. I'm not sure if I've had. Anyway, let's go into this cool song. And we have two styles here, the melody, the strumming, and it goes round and around in the same way. And you can see here, no need for any capo, so the setup is just clean. Let's go into the 4 chords needed. And we're gonna start with the C major 7 first. Okay, so that is played 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be A minor 7, very easy transition there. You just keep the 2nd D string and you add on this 1st B. So you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is E minor, and we're gonna go with the added note there as well. So you're gonna play open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and that added 3rd E. Okay, we have the melody going on right there, so that's the reason. And finally we have the D, so that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And that is also the order of the chords, how to come through the entire song. So let's go into the melody first. I'm gonna go chord by chord, starting with C major 7. And yes, I'm aware of this melody changes a little bit throughout the song, but this is what could go as a main melody throughout the song. So just stick to this one and you can play that only, okay? So you're gonna play like this for C major. Okay, so that is to play 3rd fret A string. And that is also the only thing you have to hold for this specific melody only. So 3rd A, then open G, open B, open high E 2 times, then 3rd A again, and then open E 2 times. So when I play these high E's, and we're gonna see that this is the same pattern here pretty much for all of these chords. When I hit that open E, I also incorporate the strings around that, or actually above, so it's the B and perhaps the G string as well, depending on what chord I'm playing. You're gonna play in different ways there, but I'm holding the chords as long as I can, and I also kick that B and G string when I hit that open E, so it sounds like this. Sounds better and fuller as a sound, so that's the reason for it. But the open E string is the main melody note, so that is important. All right, the next chord is A minor 7, so I grab that chord and I play. Okay, so you're gonna play open A, open G, 1st B, and then this open E 2 times. And again, I incorporate the strings above, so the 1st fret B string is there as well. But the open E string 2 times is important, and then I go back to open A. And again, I finish off with the open E 2 times. So you see, it's the same pattern here. Same goes for the E minor chord next. You're gonna play like this. Now you're gonna play open E string in the bass, then open G, open B, and 3rd E 2 times, then back to open E in the bass, and 2 times on the 3rd high E. And then we have the D chord, and that changes just a little bit. You have to switch one note there. It sounds like this. Okay, so what you're gonna play here is the open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and now you're gonna actually start with the 3rd E, so you add on that little pinky on the 3rd E. So 2 times on that. And again, I incorporate the 3rd B there, at least. And then I go back to open D string. And then I play the 3rd E again. And the next time I play that is the 2nd E. So I switch from the little pinky there, and in the background I have the mid finger prepared for the 2nd E. Okay, so Alright, so there you have the melody. It goes like this from the beginning till the end. Alright, yes, now into the strumming, and we have two ways of playing this. One is just with downs and ups, and one is with a clap built in there. So I recommend the clap. I like that version. Usually you get more out of it if you just have one guitar and you also get the beat there. But yeah, that's just my opinion. Let's start with that version. And if you grab the first chord, C major, one string around could sound like this. So I play down, up, up. Okay, and then comes the clap, and then two downs. So down, up, clap, down, down. You gotta play that one per chord, and in the last chord, then the D, remember we had a change of third fret high E to second high E, so that will be, if you translate that into the strumming, that will be the last two downs. You're gonna hit that switch there as well, so the strumming will be okay. So one round with strumming goes like this. And the second version of strumming is to simply replace that clap with a down instead. So that will be down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So. There you have all the tools, guys, to handle BNXN Victony's Cough Syrup. Cool song. Give it a try. Not your typical guitar song, but you can do it to a guitar song, transform it, and make it better, in my opinion. So that's how you play it. 4 chords, 1 melody, strumming pattern, easy, and let's go. Thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, play tuned.